Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your settings. I'm going to click on here now to open my settings. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down until you get to display. Click on display. The next thing you want to do is to click on lock screen. Next thing you need to do is to click on add text on lock screen. Then enter your preferred name right here. Then you can also add your phone number if you would like. Once you are done, hit on save. So by the time I exit from here, so let's for instance I exit from here and I try to go back and dim the phone. So and I turn it on again. You have your name on the screen from the bottom right here, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.